Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you episode 36. So today's topic is a simple one: operations in Power Query Editor. Those of you who have not followed this series, you can check out the link of this playlist where all the previous 35 episodes are covered. So, yeah, that being said, let's jump directly to question number 36. So it's a scenario based question. Imagine you are a data analyst working for a marketing agency. You have an Excel workbook that contains two sheets, campaign A and campaign B. Each sheet lists the name of social media influencers who participated in the respective marketing campaigns. Some influencers participated in both campaigns. Challenge is you need to create a master list of all the influencers who participated in either campaign, ensuring that each influencer appears only once in the list, even if they participated in both campaigns. You want to achieve this using Power Query Editor in Power BI Desktop solution. Which three actions should you perform in sequence to create this master list with no duplicate influencer names? Available actions are: option A, from BI Desktop, import the data from Excel, select the campaign A and campaign B sheets. B, from Power Query Editor, merge campaign B into campaign A. C, from Power Query Editor, append campaign B to campaign A. D, from Power Query Editor, select the resulting appended table and then select remove duplicates. E, from Power Query Editor, group the tables by the influencer name column. And F, from Power Query Editor, transpose the tables. So basically in this question you have to select three steps which you will perform depending on the scenario and challenge given to you. So I'm gonna pause the video here for 15 seconds. You can think which three steps in sequence should be the answer for this question. Your time starts now. So yeah, time. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option A, which is ACD. Basically, uh, your first step is obviously importing the two sheets which are present, campaign and campaign B. Then option step C, which is opening the Power Query editor, appending campaign B to campaign A so that it is in sequence, right? Well, first you get campaign A and then you get campaign B. And the third step is step D, which is from the Power Query editor, selecting the resulting appended table and removing duplicates. So that's a basic step. I can show you in Power BI desktop also, but I don't think we require any much of data. But yeah, if time permits, I can definitely show you. Let's look at the overall explanation for this question. So yeah, as you can see from uh, you can see which step A, B, D, right? What are the options available to us, right? For campaign A, campaign B, etc. You can see, right? And this slide, you can pause this slide, go through the information, right? That what are the steps available in Power Query Editor, and why we selected ACD in sequence, and why step B was not selected, as you can see in this slide, because merging is used to combine the tables basis on a common column, but in this we have to select information from both the sheets, campaign A and campaign B. Hence we use the option of append, right? And lastly, what is the key takeaway, right? As this question highlights the steps involved in combining data from multiple sources and removing duplicates, right? So this ensures data accuracy and avoids redundancy in analysis. So yeah, this is the overall explanation. Coming to the resources, as again I have been doing this course from Udemy, Power BI Data Analyst, which is very helpful in terms of preparing for this exam. So yeah, that covers today's question. Let's now jump to the Power BI desktop and see this in action with the help of a sample data set. So this is Power BI desktop. Let me directly go to transform data and select two files and try to use the append step. Let me see if we have some CSV or something in store. Uh, Not sure actually if I have it. 1996 sales by amount. Yep, I do have it. We have sales 1997. Let's Yep, let's open for sales 1997. Load this table and then again open sales 1998, and we are gonna append the both the sheets. Consider this at campaign A and campaign B, right? Sales 1997 is campaign A, this is campaign B. As you can see, employee ID are different but the columns are same, right? Employee ID, region description, company name, year, month, total quantity, total sales. Year is 1997 here, and this sheet we have here 1998, right? So we want to append, right? Because we want data for both the sheets. What I can do is select the 1998 sheet and go to the option of append, right? Append queries as new. Not here. Select first because after 1997 we want 1998. Append as new. This is first table, cell second is this, just append, right? Yeah. And then this is sales final. And in order to ensure duplicacy, you can, click on employee ID and, remove duplicates to ensure you have data in don't having any, issues, right? You can select this one. Yep, you can remove duplicates, but it has removed the every data, but yeah, depending on the data set, you can, again, we don't have too much employees. We have only 9 employees here, hence it removed the data. But in case where you have many different employee IDs, you can use this option and see. So yeah, this is how we can use append option in Power Query Editor and work with this data set. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Look forward to see you all in next episode. Thank you for watching.